Cleaning and degreasing floors is critical to prevent slips, trips and falls, as well as maintaining a hygienic environment. Tile and Grout Power is a highly concentrated alkaline cleaner designed for cleaning and degreasing hard floors. Tile and Grout Power is ideal in mining and heavy industrial applications for removing oils and greases from concrete floors, carbon dust, fuel deposits left by heavy machinery and compacted soils. In transport hubs, Tile and Grout Power quickly and effectively removes carbon dust from brakes. It is also incredibly effective in removing oils and fuel residues from concrete and tiles. Tile and Grout Power is safe for use in food area cleaning to remove oils, fats and greasy food deposits from tiles and other hard surfaces in commercial kitchens and bakeries. Cleaning in sports change rooms, locker rooms and washrooms is another application that is perfectly suited to Tile and Grout Power, particularly where soap scum, body fats, oils and general grime are present.
TNG Power is a high-level caustic cleaner degreaser. It is formulated specifically for greases and oils and fats. It finds specific applications in commercial kitchens, food manufacturing plants, heavy industry, workshops, and then of course our deep cleans, which is a challenge for most of our commercial contract cleaners. What we find with many of the high caustic, high hydroxide products out in the marketplace today is that they may show good performance on food, fats and oils. However, they fail when we come to heavy industry, oils and grease and grime. Now TNG Power fixes that. It is thanks to a unique emulsifier package that its true brilliant cleaning performance carries across to all of these different applications. It is a truly phenomenal product. To demonstrate why cleaning technicians prefer TNG Power, we've created a few laboratory demonstrations to replicate as close as possible the chemical activity on the job. For this demonstration, we'll use the TNG Power and two competitive high caustic products. So we have two pre-soiled plates which we'll run the product solutions over and then rinse with clear water. The purple soil contains grease and oils typical to heavy industry and workshops, whilst the blue soil contains fats and oils typical to food and human activity. Following the final rinse, this demonstration clearly shows the TNG Power's unique ability to emulsify this oily, greasy soil, and more than that, to lift it off the target substrate. This final demonstration perhaps best shows the superiority of the TNG Power. What we have here is 3 beakers of prepared solution. The middle one is the TNG Power, the 2 outer ones are 2 competitors. We have taken 1 gram of a pre-prepared soil grease mix and deposited it into each. You'll notice that the 2 outer beakers show very little emulsification of the soil, whereas the middle beaker, being the TNG Power, has almost completely dissolved and emulsified the soil.